Welcome back to BJP Lifestyle, guys. It's a beautiful day here in New England. I hope you're having a great day. If you're not, go ahead and change it around over the next 10 minutes or so that we have this video. Hopefully it distracts you a little bit. If you guys are new here, make sure you click that subscribe button down below right now to be notified when new videos go live. We have new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3 p.m. here on the channel. And of course, check out Shop Lifestyle, get yourself some lifestyle merch. But today is gonna be a little bit more of a vlog style kind of video, and we're gonna be actually getting something that I've been waiting 3 months or so for the Jeep. So I have some tools in the car. We have to actually go somewhere to get it, which is a little bit weird, a little bit different than normal. But yeah, it's gonna be a little bit of an adventure. It's not a huge thing. It's not a huge change or anything. Not to get your hopes up, but I've been waiting for this for a while, and I'll show you guys once we get there and tell you a little bit about it. But yeah, there's a reason behind it, and you guys will see that reason. So let's just go ahead and drive over there, I guess. And yeah, I'll catch you. I'll catch you in a minute. Alright guys, so I don't want to expose it quite yet, but basically we have this and we're at a parking lot, and we're about to go inside and do some paperwork. So I have to remove something from my car to do this, so I guess let's just show you. Basically, I've been waiting like 3 months for these plates to come in, and they're finally in. So we're here to get them and do all the paperwork and transfer my plates so that I can have the BJP plate. And yeah, I know a lot of you guys live around here or are in kind of the area that I'm in. So if you guys are around the area and you guys do see that see my car, then you're gonna know it's me because they have the BJP plate and the BJP sticker. So if you guys do see me, say what's up. That would be cool if you guys saw me and said what's up. So yeah, let me go ahead and do a little bit of work on the car here in this parking lot and remove these plates, and head inside, and hopefully this goes smoothly and I can get the plates, and I'll show you what they are, and yeah, we'll continue on with our day. Alright, so I don't know if you guys remember, but I had like stuck stuff on the back of my plates so that the rattle in the back wouldn't be as bad, but yeah, it's gonna just continue to rattle now because I don't have that on there. So I'm gonna have to figure out a better solution for that anyways. So maybe after I'll look around and see if there's something I can get to put on the back. But yeah, let's go get rid of these standard plates and go get our custom plate. So I'm gonna mask up because that's the law, and wait, maybe it's not the law, I don't know. We're gonna mask up because, you know, that's the kind of time that it is. And yeah, we're gonna go get these, and I will get back with you guys in just a minute.
1 hour later.
We got them, boys. We got the BJP plates, so we're official. So if you see me in public, then just know that, yeah, you found me. So I gotta put my stickers and stuff on, so let me do that, pop them on. And I'm gonna be honest, there's Jeep Grand Cherokees oh my god, you can't even see me. There's Jeep Grand Cherokees literally everywhere. I can see 1, 2, 3, 4 in this parking lot alone. It's not a very big parking lot, and I think 3 of them are altitude pack. Yeah, so there's like 3 out of the 4 that are altitude packages. So you guys are everywhere, so hopefully you guys will be able to notice me now, and if you do, then make sure you say what's up. It's so weird to be like making YouTube videos in a public place like this, because I'm gonna go grab a thumbnail and just set the camera on the floor or on the ground right in front of in this middle of this parking lot, and like hold out the plate for the thumbnail, which I'm sure you guys have seen by now if you're watching this. So yeah, that thumbnail is just right in the middle of a parking lot before I put these plates on. So hopefully it's not too awkward with the lady sitting in the car right there, but you know, it is what it is. Alright, now it's time to put these things on, so let's go ahead and grab our screwdriver and our plate covers and pop these babies on, because we're official, boys. We're official. All right, let's go. If you guys see me, say what's up. You know, it says it here. It's a white Jeep. I mean, you can't miss it. And look, we got that. Now we gotta do the front, and then we're good. All right, there's the front on. We're good, and I think the Bape Ultra Boost stayed clean during the filming of this, which is good. I had to go in the dirt. Oh my god, I can't believe it. Yeah, I have to go get some food and do some shopping and stuff, but I'm gonna catch up with you guys in a minute after and just kind of give a closing thing because it kind of costs a lot of money to get these plates, which is kind of a scam. Also, by the way, guys, I do have some other vehicles that are gonna be featured here on the channel soon. We're gonna be doing some fun stuff. I know some of you guys have Jeeps that are set up for off-road, and you guys like that off-road kind of stuff. So I'm actually gonna be linking up with an old friend from when I used to work at Best Buy in the next week or two, probably, who has a really nice off-road setup on his Tacoma. So we're gonna go ahead and check that out and then maybe do some off-roading and stuff. So that's just a little sneak preview for you guys that are still watching to this point, the real supporters out there, the people who are out there actually watching the whole video. But yeah, we're gonna be doing that soon, so that's gonna be cool, and hopefully you guys will enjoy seeing something that's not just a Jeep on the channel, but I also have other Jeep content and other Jeep people that I'm going to be linking up with, so it's going to be cool. So just stay tuned for that. We have tons of content coming, and the video I'm filming tomorrow is actually really cool, really fun, and I think you guys are really going to enjoy it. So I just stay tuned, and we're gonna just warp to somewhere else right now. All right, we're finally back, and yeah, we got the plates. You know, it's taken like almost 4 months. Maybe it's less. It might be more like 2 or 3 months. I don't know. It's been a long time though. And yeah, so I paid for them, ordered them, and then I didn't hear anything for a long time, and then all of a sudden they were here. So yeah, if you guys see me out, make sure you guys say what's up, either beep or whatever. I'm sure some of you guys have seen me out in public around, because you know, it's a small state, small world, so I'm sure you guys have seen me. So if you do, say what's up, you know. Let me actually sit down and tell you guys how much it costs, because it's kind of a scam to get just like 3 letters on your plate, how much it costs. So let me sit down in the car and we can just talk about that just real quick, and then we'll close out this video. All right, so the initial payment on getting one of these custom plates here in the state, obviously you know where I live now. It's Rhode Island. I don't really say it a lot, but you can see it on my plate. But yeah, I would say New England. But yeah, you guys know where I live. So the initial price was like 70 and change, I believe, to just place the order in order to get it like printed or like made, and then once I went to go pick it up, I actually was kind of fortunate, and it didn't actually, I have the receipt, it actually only cost me to pick it up $24 exactly with the fee. So $24 to pick it up plus the 70, I'm at like 90. But what's really gonna get you is when you renew it. So I actually have my old registration in here too. I'm not gonna show anything because I don't want to leak anything, but my normal renewal fee for just my standard plate that I had before was gonna be $128.50. So $128.50 for just a standard renewal of my registration on my normal plate that I had on the car. Now our fees are going to be $248.50. So what did I say the other one was? $128. Now it's going to be $250 to renew it every, I don't know if it's a year or 2 years. But yeah, that's kind of crazy that they're out here scamming like that. But you know, it's 1 for content, 2 so you guys can recognize me better, and 3 just for me to not have some random numbers and to actually have the BJP on there, because you know, channel is called BJP Lifestyle after all, and it's weird, but I am in fact BJP, which a lot of you guys ask what that means, and I will not leak that until we hit 1 million subs. So if you guys are not subbed, make sure you click that subscribe button down below right now to push us to that 1 million subscriber mark eventually, hopefully within 5 years maybe. That's the goal. But yeah, that's gonna be about it for this video, guys. If you did enjoy, make sure you click that like button down below. I have some really good content coming soon, and I'm going to try and expand, guys. It's not just going to be strictly straight Jeep content like mod. I'm going to try and expand it into a little bit more of like vlog style content and just creating a little bit more personality with it. So hopefully you guys will stick through that and support me through it, because like I said, we're going to the moon with this. I have tons of good ideas, and it's going to be a lot of fun, and of course the Jeep is still going to be here, and the future Jeeps and stuff. It's still going to be car related, but yeah, we're going to kind of vlog it a little bit more and do a little bit more of the day-to-day kind of stuff, and show you guys a little bit more of my actual life, because I think some of you guys would enjoy that. So yeah, leave a like down below, comment down below if you guys have vanity plates, how much you guys pay, how, like where you are, and how much it costs, because I'm wondering what the difference is. Like if you guys are in another state, are you guys paying $250 a year or 2 years or whatever it is to renew your registration with the vanity plate, or are you guys just running with the normal one, which I think most people do. But yeah, let me know how much if you do have them, and how much you guys are paying and where you're at. And of course, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you click the subscribe button down below right now. If you made it to this point in the video, you gotta want to subscribe, right? So click that subscribe button down below, helps me out. We just passed 6.1 1K or something. Still haven't done the 5K subscriber special. If I even end up doing it, might just push it to 10K. But yeah, we're on our way to the moon, baby. We are just zooming. So make sure you guys subscribe. We have new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3 p.m. here on the channel. And of course, check out Shop Lifestyle. Get yourself some lifestyle merch. Anyone that's ordered it, you guys know, and you guys can comment down below and let people know that it's actually good quality and it feels really good and it's nice stuff. That's about it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.